Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jordyn.Marie. Thank you for clicking on this face because you could have clicked on any other face on YouTube, but you decided to click on mine. So today, as you see, I have a new hairstyle. I have spring twist in, and today I'm just going to be giving a review on this hair, talking about it, and just giving a insight on my hair and everything. So the hair is from Beyond Beauty. It comes in a pack like this, and it's 3 packs. I'm gonna get my phone so I'm going to my phone, to my Amazon, to look up the exact one, but I'll link it in the description box below. Mine is, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's going to be the one with this girl on it. It is the 12-inch spring twist crochet braids ball twist crocheted hair Beyond Beauty ombre color synthetic fluffy hair extensions 3 packs. So it comes in 3 packs, and I wish I would have recorded this before I got my hair done, but like, this is the hair, and it comes in bundles basically, and it's just like this. And like, when it's folded in half, it's this length, but literally it stretches so long. Like, it's 12 inches, but it stretches to, I would say, double its length. But it comes in bundles, and this is how much hair I have left over out of 3 packs. I don't have any crochets in the middle. I have individual twists all the way around my head. I have a huge head, so I probably needed about all 3 packs, and this is all I had left. My sister did her hair, and she only used 2 packs, but I used almost 3 for mine. So I say about 2.5. And I'm just going to show you. Like, well, it's not freshly done. So let's get that understood. It's been probably about maybe 2 weeks, I believe. Yeah, about 2 weeks since I had them done. So my edges and the back has grown out a little bit. It's not fresh, it's not brand new, but I'm just gonna give you the looks of it. Those are my twists, and I can honestly say about this hair, it's amazing. For me to have this many twists in my hair, it is so lightweight. Like, literally, it feels like just you have something on your head, but it's not heavy. It's not a burden when I sleep. It's not a burden when I shower. I literally just throw it up in the bun on top of my head for a shower, and at night I put it in like a low pony and then put a bonnet on it. It's amazing. It's so lightweight, and that's all I can pretty much say about it. Now at the ends, they'll try to connect together, but it's not like the hair is tangling. It's just that it just connects together sometimes. So it's a little difficult putting it in a ponytail because the ends want to stick together. But that's the only con of this hair, literally. And if I stand up, like, it stops. Like, if I pull it down, it stops basically almost at my waist. And that's pretty much it. As far as moisturizing my hair while it's in these twists, I use tea tree oil and a little bit of leave-in every now and then to keep my hair soft. Tea tree is for my scalp, and the leave-in is for my actual hair that's in the twist. And I really love these because they're so versatile. I put them in a bun, wear it down like this. They're amazing. I honestly recommend Beyond Beauty because when you don't get a certain type of twist or a certain type of hair, you will not be able to recreate the same look. These are not passion twists. I really don't know the difference, but I know spring twists are made to mimic the natural hair look, like natural twists, like it looks like it's your real hair basically. And the color I got, I think it's like 1B/M30. Well, basically it's like brown or blackish at the top, and at the ends it's like this reddish color. But that's pretty much it. If anybody would like an update on my hair, a nighttime routine with it, morning routine, daily routine, how to style it or anything, I got you. Just make sure you comment below. Again, the hair is from Beyond Beauty. My sister did my spring twist. I will link her Instagram in it. Hashtag Destiny did it. But yes, my sister did my twist. She does all of my braids, twists, anything of that nature. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'm going to insert her pictures of my hair at the end. Just thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, anything. Once again, thank you for clicking on this face, and have a blessed day.